Want to reset your PIN on Messenger for secure storage of end-to-end encrypted chats? In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it step by step. Start by opening up your Messenger app on your device. Make sure you're logged into your Messenger account. At the bottom right corner of your screen, tap on the three-bar icon. Next, tap on the Settings icon at the top. In the Settings menu, tap on the Privacy and Safety option. Here you'll find the End-to-End Encrypted Chats section. Tap to open it. Under this section, tap on Message Storage. Here you will see the Reset PIN option. Tap on it. Follow the prompt to set up a new PIN. Enter your new PIN and confirm it by entering it again. And just like that, your PIN has been reset successfully. This will allow you to restore your chat history on new devices without losing access. And that's it. You've successfully reset your PIN on Messenger officially. If this video helped, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tips and tutorials.